we are going to talk about Anthropic's cloud new updates that we got. And also people are talking about the stock market's crash, especially in India, and how it affects us. Some people are saying it's due to because of, Cloud's Cowork, and also some people are saying because it's because of Cloud's automation plugins, AI automation plugins. But what exactly is the reason? That is something we have to leave it for the business people. I mean, I'm not much myself a trader, a stock market specialist, so I don't know. I have no idea of what happened, what's going to happen. But one thing I know for sure is AI is still getting crazier and crazier. What actually triggered this can be a lot of things, like we had FTE deal and other things too. So maybe it was because of that reason too. We don't know for sure. So first, let's move this crash out of the way and focus on what actually happened. Like, so 2 days ago, I think it's less than 48 to 36 hours or something. So there was a crash in stock markets. That crash happened. Some people are calling it due to the AI itself, because yes, and I totally agree, because the core work and the automation plugins, what they do is basically make your work much easier for you. So there is no need for you to hire some people to do your work, right? So especially to people who are doing businesses, who are running companies, it's mostly for them, and it's not free either. So even like we could have understood if it was free, maybe, but even with the paid version, that's the paid version, and the crash market still crashed. So that just shows you that how these CEOs have been investing in the stock market, especially for the AI one. So as you can see, due to that, the market has like fallen. Like why? I mean, as I said clearly, why? Because really, then we have to go deep into it and have to work on stock market. I don't have idea, but I am thinking because of this only a lot of people are calling it. So what happened to Indian IT market? So a lot of people do outsourcing services to, especially to clients which are outside of India. So, and one of those biggest countries is basically USA, and there are also countries like Canada too, and we also have Germany, I guess, and there is also UK that we do service for. So this is like let's just call it as a manual labor. I'm so sorry, I don't mean that way, but that's what Indian companies are doing, right? They are just simply doing their manual work, which the let's just put it as foreign clients aren't able to do themselves. It's not because they can't do it, it's just that they don't have time and they don't want to pay someone money more. So that is the reason why it has been outsourced to India. And for a lot of years, like even decades, I think the companies have earned a lot in India, especially because outsourcing services is really amazing for Indians, because I am myself in that business, so I know for sure. And I'm not talking about my company's business, because it's general IT business. It's a crash of IT. There are a lot of outsourcing IT companies who do manual work. You don't know who do you know, like the work that requires much more skills and paying less. That's what Indians do. So that is the reason why Indian stock market has crashed today, because if they have this manual labor for with them, who they can pay less and maybe do multi-purpose with it, why would they require someone from other countries that communication might be a little hard and they have to go out all these things, contracts and everything, pay them like that? So a lot of stuff, right? So that's what I'm assuming. That's what I'm thinking the reason it crashed because of that. And some people are even analyzing that. So we might get the news actually what happened on that day to the crash, like, but stock market crash in general. So you couldn't say that. You can say that stock market has boomed because this new tool has been released. Because like if it happens within like couple of hours after that tool has released, people will say it's because of that. Maybe or maybe not, we don't know. Maybe someone planned it. So it's like that. So we're not sure, but let's just be happy about that. We got some new AI tool, right? But it has been mixed up with the stock market. So I just wanted to clear that up. It doesn't matter. I mean, it does matter. The stocks do matter. But the thing is, we should focus on is the update of the new AI that we got. AI, kind of, I guess. I mean, yeah, that's what it is. So what does this plugin do? Basically, you have to install plugins. I don't have the the paid version so that I can test it. I really want to do that, but I'll definitely test it, but I don't think I can show you guys because I'll be violating something if I do that. Okay, so it's really amazing. I have seen the videos, I've seen some people go over that and show me like it's really good, and you can connect a lot of stuff. You can actually give your desktop to it and do my work basically become even more lazier. We already are lazy enough, and now we are going to become even more lazy. And coming to the Cowork, I'm pretty sure like that's what the Cowork is about. For that, we also have the now AI automation plugins. So one of the big updates, more than like AI automation and plugins, because I would really want to show you, but as I said, I don't have the access to it, so I can't show that. But let's go see something that has released like literally a couple of hours ago. I'll show you guys. So we have Claude Opus 4.6, and which I'm really shocked about, to be honest. As you can see, we are upgrading our smartest model. This is really the smartest, and as you can see, it is really has a lot of difference from 4.5, and I'm kind of shocked. And I kind of understand that they put like this with the other models. I understand it's just what it is. Come on, right? So let's quickly go to the benchmarks. So as you can see, the benchmarks have really been updated. Let's ignore the Gemini 3 Pro and 5.2 for now. Let's just see with the 4.5 and 4.5 of Sonnet and Opus, right? So did it increase? It did. How well? That we still have to do. This is their official benchmarks. We'll be getting, the actual benchmarks of actual developers who are using these models in pretty time soon. I'll update you guys when I get that. But for now, I just wanted to give you a quick update on that. It has been released. I'll show you. So we do have the desktop version of it. So as you can see, this is my Claude desktop version. If you see, it's asking for a bit. That is the reason even this feature I'm unable to test it. I mean, I understand I have to show you guys, but I'm so sorry guys, I cannot show you because I can't operate it. I'll try to find somewhere or another. We'll also get Claude, because right now we have ChatGPT Pro, we have it, and we have Gemini Pro, we have even have Perplexity Pro. Claude is the only one that we are not getting. I'm pretty sure they are going to give us this free version soon, and also we'll get some, maybe we don't know, because this is currently the best model out there in the world. Claude has been like, one of the weakest models when ChatGPT was at their like the peak and boom. But they are the best now. That's what it is all about, right? Patience and getting better and better, regardless of what others think, regardless of what comes out, right? So if you get better, this shows that you will be at the top of the world, right? And I'm really happy. I'm really happy for Anthropic for this. And wow, I mean, I really did not expect this, to be honest. It's a surprise to me that Claude is one of the like the best model out there. Even with the coding window, this is ranked top. But I'm pretty sure it's going to change once OpenAI or Gemini releases some other models too. We have to wait for it, and we have to wait for the official benchmarks of 4.6. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be amazing because they have partnered up with Microsoft. I've already given that video over here. You guys can go and check it, because that is insane. Like Microsoft and Anthropic, that is something I did not expect, because Microsoft has their own model, Copilot. It's not that great, but now they have integrated it with Claude. Okay, that changes everything basically. And we are also getting Apple and Google collaboration, and I was like, what? This is going to be insane. I think we are going to see a lot of collaborations in future too, and I'm all up for it. Just fight whoever you want, just give us the best ones. That's what I'm asking. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of this. So this is going to be good, and yeah, we are going to get more and more updates. And I really would like to actually wanted to also talk about Molebot too, but let's talk about that in another video. Yeah, it's no longer AI versus humans. I feel like it's already AI versus AI, and damn, I'm really scared. I have to learn a lot of things now. I already have this much of list of things that I need to learn. I said a lot of Instagram, LinkedIn posts that I have to understand, debug them and see like, okay, these are the things I need to learn. I'm still in the learning phase only, and I'm really confused about what's going on in the world right now. I mean, we are talking about like literally new updates each and every day. I think it's going to be in less than hours, in a couple of months maybe. I don't know. 2026, as I said, it's going to be a boom for this vibe coding and everything. And I'm really like excited and scared and confused at the same time, because how much still I need to learn. I mean, learning is not bad for me. Like I really appreciate learning. But the thing is, the phase that we are going, I don't think it's going to be enough no matter how much I learn. And at least I have to have something, right? I don't know. I'm just confused. Yeah. I mean, I'm not complaining, but this is just too confusing. Like, it keeps on getting even more scary confusion, but that's what it has been for a long time, I guess. So yeah, we have to catch up, we have to learn again, we have to start again, but we are not giving up. If AI themselves are fighting like that, so I think we should do even better, right? So yeah, subscribe and follow for more content, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. And look out for the new video that I'm going to talk about agents versus agents, potentially agents war with us. I don't know, we have to see. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then,